Hi, welcome to Soul Talk. This is Sujata Mukherjee, and today I thought of giving you 3 simple hacks to boost confidence by coming closer to your soul. There is a difference between you and your soul. It's like outer you and the real you, the core you. The outer you gets overshadowed by your ego, and that's the image you have of yourself. That becomes your social mask, whereas your soul is who you truly are, deep down below all the levels and titles. It's eternal, divine, and inherently worthwhile. When you learn to align more with your soul each day, life starts flowing more naturally without any struggle, and you start boosting your confidence because you start feeling a greater sense of freedom, joy, satisfaction, empowerment, and inner peace. You love and accept yourself deeply, even when things aren't going perfectly according to plan. So you are now building up trust in yourself, not trying to imitate, rather thriving to be the real you. Unfortunately, we are not taught how to align with our soul. And after years of being controlled by the fears, worries, constant negative chatter, it can take a little patience to find our way to this place of safety and strength within us. Here are the first set of 3 ways to get more in touch with your soul. Making time for 1 or 2 of them each week can have a profound effect on your happiness, well being, life, and confidence. Number 1, spend time in nature. Nature can have a calming effect and reminds us to slow down. Take deep breaths and soak up in the present moment. Go for a brisk walk. Simply go out of your house, preferably early morning. If that's a little difficult, sit on your balcony or go to the roof and enjoy the open sky. If you're lucky enough to have a park nearby, simply sit on a bench or on the grass. Wherever you are, just feel the air, the sky, the grass, the roads, the people around, and do some stretches. Number 2, meditate. When you tune out from the noise of the world and your own internal worries and circling thoughts, your inner guide has a moment to speak to you. Try spending 5 minutes meditating with a soul soothing affirmation. Like, for example, I'm willing to open my arms and claim the wonderful life I deserve. Or it can be, I greet the morning with joy and enthusiasm. Or you can say, every cell of my body is alive with health and energy. One more, I sleep in peace and I wake up in joy. Number 3, write a soul journal. It's a bit like writing a traditional diary, only you're going to go deeper. You pose questions to your soul, such as, where am I stuck? And what is preventing me from achieving my dreams? You then write down your immediate thoughts and feelings without any self censoring to see what inner wisdom arises. Make that journal colorful with your childhood pictures, stickers, some colorful sketching, etc. This exercise is very effective in creating a strong connect with the inner child and thus helps to remain happy, and your confidence gets boosted up by simple happy thoughts. That's all for today. Happy Soul Talks. See you soon.